Good morning and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, 30th March, and we are approaching to the end of the current financial year. Most of the time, market turns up in the last few days of the financial year on the back of NAV propping. Domestic institutions are putting their efforts, and which is visible in last 2 days as they have infused more than 3000 crores in the cash market. FIs, foreign institutions, are net sellers. However, they have created long positions on the derivative segments. They bought call options as well as index futures and reduced heavily long positions on the put options. So it clearly shows that they have taken long stance on the market in the short term. Today, Asian markets are trading flat, but US markets did extremely well in last 2 days. Singapore Nifty is also following to the same and it is trading nearly 150 points higher. On Friday, the market has formed a bullish Harami pattern, which is clearly an indication that the market is reversing from the bottom. At the same time, it arrested at the major large support in the previous week close to 14,250, 14,300, where the market was completing its corrective pattern, and from there we saw very strong pullback from the lower levels. On Friday, the market closed above the level of 14,500, which is an indication that the markets are going to see furthermore activity in the near term, and we could see the levels of 14,750 or in best case scenario 14,900. But the way there are flows in the markets and the way there is the structure of the market, 14,700, 14,750 should be the area where we should look for reducing some long positions ahead of the expiry of the month. And if we see the market is breaking the level of 14,250 in next few days because of any reason, then we need to be careful, because then in that case we may even see the levels of 14,000. But the way there is a formation of the market, we are of the view that 14,700, 750 should be achievable, and the market should spend some more time between the range of 14,750 and 14,250 before giving any specific meaningful direction. In the previous week, the dollar index was the biggest factor that had dragged the sentiment of the market, and in the current week again the trend of the market would largely depend on the trend of the dollar index. It was around 9150 and from there it moved to the levels of 9250, but today it is trading around 92.80, 92.90, which is negative for emerging markets, especially because it controls to the liquidity or inflows for emerging markets. Today, the focus should be on commodities, especially Hindalco, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, as well as Steel Authority. Also, we could see some activity in FMCG stocks as well as in mid-cap IT companies ahead of the expiry of the current month, because there we can expect buying from FIs or from institutions to move the NAV. And in that case, we like Hindustan Lever, Britannia, United Spirits, and from the mid-cap IT basket, we like Persistent and Info Edge. Friends, that's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in and have a great day to all of you.